Hi guys, it's festive Christmas Andrei, and today we have day 2 of the 12 days of Christmas, season 2 in my channel. I just did season 1 last year, so if you want to check the playlist out, you can check out my YouTube channel, or I'll put the link in the description below. And so day 2, because I did one yesterday. So yeah, let's get started. We're gonna be really quick because these are just like YouTube shorts, as they like to call it, or YouTube. Alright, so it's a Hot Wheel. It's a legit Hot Wheel because yesterday in my day 1, I thought it was, but it was not a Hot Wheel. But I was a little disappointed, but it was so cool. But this is definitely a real Hot Wheel. This is so exciting. So yeah, there you go. There's the artwork. It looks very, very nice. Nice artwork there. Oh wow, this is I'm gonna flip the box, so just to the side here. So yeah, this guy looks super cool. I love the sleek. I love these horns. These are huge.
No, that's a bike.
That's a bike. Oh, all right. So yeah, let's go to the Bible story now, and we're gonna continue from yesterday. So we left up yesterday with the Pharaoh's daughter found Moses in the river / the bathtub back in the day. You guys know what I'm talking about. So let's bring back our binoculars. So after she found Moses, Moses' sister said yes, so the Pharaoh's daughter can keep an eye on Moses, because she has been a little bit tired, just like me and my sister. So kind of funny there. And then Pharaoh's daughter find the perfect mother for Moses and told him that Pharaoh's daughter has found the baby inside the river. I'm sure the mother had no time and just whatever, like maybe she was like washing machine. She definitely tied her shoes, or I don't know if they had shoes back then, but she absolutely run maybe 50 miles an hour to see her baby. And he was crying, and she put him on her arms like this like a little child. So yeah, after the baby grown older, probably about like 15 years old or something, but the Pharaoh's daughter named him, you guys probably already know this is a very popular character, Moses. So he will be a big part in our series of the 12 days of Christmas. He'll be a very big character actually. So yeah, that's it for day 2. I hope you really enjoy it. Make sure to subscribe, and you haven't already, that you make it part of our channel, where when you walk into a Target store, you see 20 Jackson Storm Haulers and 15 Rusty's Lightning McQueens. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye guys. Merry Christmas. Holly Jolly Lives.